How can webinars and online workshops be used as a marketing tool for lawyers? Well, let's dive in. So, webinars and online workshops are powerful marketing tools for lawyers. They offer a platform to showcase your expertise, educate potential clients, and build trust. By hosting a webinar, you can provide valuable information on legal topics. This is going to position you as a thought leader in your field or your particular practice area. Now, engaging with your audience directly through question and answer sessions allows you to address their concerns and to demonstrate your knowledge in real time relative to situations that they're actually facing. So, this interaction fosters a connection that goes way beyond traditional advertising and marketing. Furthermore, webinars can be recorded and repurposed as content for your website or your social media platform. This extends your reach dramatically. Offering these sessions for free, really, it can attract a wider audience, including those who might not have even considered your services in the past. So, in essence, a webinar or an online workshop not only can educate and engage your audience, but it can also enhance your credibility and your visibility in the legal market. It's a smart, effective way to grow your practice and do so in a digital age. So, by consistently providing value, you establish yourself as the go to expert. You're ready to help clients and navigate their legal needs. This is something that's really critical today, and that if you aren't doing it, you can be sure that your competitors are. My name is Attorney Michael Goldstein. I'm one of the co-founders of law firm Ignite. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and check back here for more videos pretty consistently. Thank you.